Hi guys, welcome to Gamma.app website. What is Gamma.app? Gamma.app is a new medium for presenting ideas powered by artificial intelligence. Let's read more. Using Gamma.app, you can generate documents, presentations, web pages in seconds. You can create a working presentation, document, or a web page. You can refine and customize in under a minute using the powerful AI generator. You can see that it's very interesting. You can restyle your entire presentation in just one click, right? Use a flexible template to work faster. They give you a flexible template which works in different screens. Then present live or send a web page. You can present your web page or a presentation with a present mode, guys. There is a present mode we have, and you can share online with publishing as well as analytics. You can use to see how many how many people are visiting to your page and how long they are staying. A lot of things you can see, guys. And you can embed GIF files, videos, charts, websites, etc. And you can see that you can read anywhere. You can measure engagement with built-in analytics. You can share on any device, laptop, tablet, phone. That's awesome, right? And now if you want to use Gamma.app, you can see there is a pricing link. We have templates, login, sign up for free. Let's see the pricing, guys. So here we have plans and pricing. Monthly they have given here, as well as yearly also they have given here. And you see here, this is a monthly plan, $0, $10 and $20. And here we have a yearly plan. You can see that just $8 and just $15. Here we have $0. So what you get on $0, that is free. You get 400 AI credits at sign up. When you sign up, you get 400 AI credits, unlimited users and gammas. You can export as PDF, you can export as PPT, but you see a Gamma branded. That means you see made with Gamma badge. Okay, you can see 7-day change history and basic analytics. You'll get just basic analytics. And here you can see that you get 400 credits per month. It is going to remove made with Gamma badge. And of course you can export as PDF, PPT, 30-day change history you will see, and as well as you can create unlimited folders also. On $15 you see unlimited AI creations, not just 400. You can have unlimited AI creations, advanced AI models you'll get, and you can use your custom fonts, unlimited change history you can see, and you can get a detailed analytics, guys. So that's awesome. As we are learning, let's sign up for free. If you click on sign up for free, it will ask you to sign up. You have to enter the email, or you can continue with the Google. I click on continue with Google, and then I log in here with my email ID. I click on next, and then I click on continue. You can see that we have successfully logged in, and it is telling welcome to Gamma. To get started, give your workspace name. Okay, I'm using Gamma for personal use, so here I give the workspace Manjunath Chidre's workspace. That is fine. Create a workspace, and then it's telling tell us about yourself. How do you plan to use Gamma? As I'm using for personal use, I say personal use. What kind of work do you do? It is asking. I can say here education, and then which of the following best describes your role? I am going to say here teacher, let's say, and select a school type. I'll just go for, I can go for just higher education. How did you hear about us? I'm just going to say here, I will just say here social media. Okay, then click on get started, and you can see that here it is giving you few options. Create with AI. Here it is telling paste in text. That means if you have the content, you have to paste. Create from notes, an outline, or existing content. If you have existing content, you can give it. It is going to create the presentation or a document or web page. Okay, you can see here you can generate with AI, create from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. Just you give a one-line prompt, it will create a presentation. Import a file, transform or enhance existing docs and presentations. If you have a presentation or if you have a doc, you can give it to the Gamma app. It will enhance them, right? You can modify with the help of it. So let's see what is paste in text. So I click on this. Let's see what it does. So it is telling add the notes, outline or a content you would like to use. So if you have a content or outline, you can add and just click on continue. Go back, and what is this is telling us? Import a file. So if you click on this, it is asking import from drive. So if you have a Google Drive where you have document or a slide, you can add that, or upload a PPT or a Word document, you can see that. Let's go back. Here we have generate option, create from a one-line prompt. I click on continue. This is what I want now. Next, it is asking, what would you like to create today? You want to create a presentation or a document or a web page. I want to create a presentation, so I will select the presentation. And it is asking how many cards it should have, right? It is asking how many cards it should have in the presentation. So let's have the 10 cards we'll have. That is asking the language. I'll go for English US. Then describe what would you like to make, what you want to make. I want to create the tour of our solar system. I want to make a presentation on the tour of our solar system, the tour of our solar system. Just one line prompt, you see that. The tour of our solar system, it is going to have 10 cards. Just click on generate outline. First it will create an outline. Let's click on that. You can see it takes a little time to generate the outline. You can see that it is telling first it is going to have introduction to the solar system, then it is going to tell about the sun, and then it is going to talk about inner planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Then it is going to talk about outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and dwarf planets and other celestial bodies, moons and their unique characteristics. Wow, so you can see that space exploration missions and future prospects and challenges, conclusion, the wonder of our cosmic neighborhood. You can see that it has given the outline. If you want, you can add cards or you can remove the cards. If you do not want, you can modify. A lot of things they have given, guys. And then it is asking amount of text per card. I go for medium. Okay, I go for medium. And it is asking image source, web image source it can go for, or AI image. It is going to generate the AI images. Okay, and image style it is asking, which is optional. You can see that. Okay, you can describe the colors, what you want to choose, style or mood to use, you can decide. I'm going to leave it blank. I click on continue. It is showing the preview of our presentation. So it is telling this is a theme preview, so you can choose any of the theme that you like from here. Okay, and if you want, you can just shuffle the theme, so it will randomly choose a theme for you. Okay, and just click on generate. When you click on generate, it starts creating the presentation. You can see that it has created a presentation for us, and it has created the images also for us, AI generated images. You can see that. That is awesome. If you want, you can change the image. You can see that this is completely empty. So what you can do is you can click on edit accent image, and then here you can say AI images, and it is going to write a prompt for us. If you want, you can write your own prompt. I click on generate. It is going to generate the image. You can see that it has created a nice image for you, and you can choose the different image if you want here, like this image you want, which one you want, you can just choose here. I think this looks best for me. I'll choose this image. In the same way, I can generate another image if I want. Here click on edit accent image and click on AI images, which is a new option, and you can see it is reading the content. Based on the content, it is writing the prompt. If you want, you can modify. I click on generate. You can see that it has generated the image. If you want, you can definitely replace that image with some other image, right? See, I like this one actually. I'll use this. And we have one more image to generate. Here I select this, and then I click on edit accent image, and then I select AI images, and then click on generate. So how easy it is, you can see that you can easily create a presentation just in one click, and you can customize it in few seconds, right? So we are successfully able to generate the presentations, guys. You can see that, right? See that, that's looking awesome, right? So we are able to create a presentation. Now if you want, you can definitely customize it. On the right hand side we have edit with AI option. You have a card template. If you want, you can change card templates, you can change the layout, you can even you can add the basic blocks, like you can add a title, heading, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, block out. You can see that you can insert tables, you can add bulleted list, numbered list, to-do list, you can add, right, note box. You can see that you can even you can add buttons, toggle buttons, right, dividers. Just explore, guys, just explore. All you need is just drag and drop, drag and drop. Okay, you can insert images, you can insert image, that is you can upload, or you can web search image, AI images you can generate, splash images, icons. You can see that you can add video or embed the video. You can see that you can get from the gallery. You can even go for YouTube videos, you can add, or Vimeo videos, TikTok. You can see that, right? You can embed apps or web pages. If you want, you can embed Google Drive, you can add Figma. A lot of things are available. You can see that. Just you need to spend time, guys, right? Okay, we have the presentation. If you want, we can present it to people just by clicking on the present button, and that is how it looks. You can see that. Now you can use the arrows, left arrow key to go to the previous slide like this, right? You can press the right arrow key to go to the next slide, right? And you can press the escape key to come out of the present mode. Once you come out of the present mode, if you want, you can share it. You can click on collaborate here. If you want, you can add emails or people, right? Add emails, and it will send a link to them, and you can give a different access, like whether full access you want to give, or edit access, comment access, view only, view access, like that. You can share the link, and while sharing the link, again you can decide the access permission, edit, comment, view, no access. And if you want, you can export also. You can export it as a PDF file, export it as a PowerPoint file, right? If I click on export to PowerPoint, it is going to export this as a PPT to your downloads folder, and you can see that it is downloaded here. You can see that we got the PowerPoint. If I double click on it, it will get open. You can see that we got the PowerPoint in our system, guys. If you still want to change anything, you can definitely modify here in your Microsoft PowerPoint software. You can replace images. If you know the PowerPoint, you can modify the content, right? And you can see that it's displaying made with Gamma. If you want, you can delete this one. Just select and press the delete key and save it, right? I'm going to close this, right? So that is how you can create the PowerPoint presentation very easily, guys, right? Just in few clicks you are able to create the PowerPoint presentation with the help of Gamma.app, the AI tool. As I told, you can create documents, you can create web pages, you can do a lot of things. You just need to log in and start exploring each option, guys. For this video tutorial, I think this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about AI tools. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.